Today I'll be talking about floor guides for different types of sliding doors. Here you can see a pocket door, and as you can see the threshold of the door is clear, but there is a small floor guide just inside the pocket to keep the bottom of the door stable. This is the timber floor guide. It's a plate with a fin in the middle, and it works here by cutting a groove in the bottom of the door, and the door just runs over the top of it. It's hidden underneath the door. This is the floor guide for sliding glass doors. As you can see, it's got parts in the middle to change the thickness of the door, 8, 10 or 12 mil. And again, it goes under the bottom of the door. This time you can see it, a little U channel for the glass to slide in. This is a full-length floor guide for frameless glass doors, often used when you need the door to be guided all the way along, when you're moving the door so far that it might come off a fixed floor guide as spoken about before. This has brush strips so that it's not metal rubbing against the door, and it also is adjustable in width for 8, 10 or 12 mil thick glass doors. This is the Telescopic sliding system, and it uses two floor guides. You've got the standard fixed floor guide on the first door, and then from the first door to the second door you have a side mounted floor guide which scoops underneath the door and guides it on this frame here. We'll have a look at it working there. Use of this side mounted floor guide means that there's nothing on the floor in the opening when the doors are closed. This is the Roller 90 telescopic system with a soft brake, and you can see this soft close when the door is fully opened. The threshold is clear when the door is in the open position because of these floor guides.